How to program the TX7210 Single I/O module. Connect the programming cable to the Z1 and Z2 terminals on the TX7210 module and power on the programmer. Press the Read or 1 button. This displays the module's existing settings, such as address, input mode, output supervision, and ID number. Press the Write or 2 button to enter the address, then press Write again to save the new address to the device. Now press 3 for our /W config. Here you can set 3 parameters. Feedback mode. 1Y equals self-feedback. 2N equals external feedback, default. Input check mode. 3Y equals input supervised with a resistor. 4N equals no resistor required, default. Output check mode. 5Y equals 24 VDC continuity supervision, default. 6N equals no output supervision. The TX7210 module is now fully configured and ready for installation.